See his handle? I'm going to take it out and show you. Under here. I can grab it with my hand. Come on, get out. 2 7s. I did it over there, but let me show you on this side because this is the master switch. I bet you it's going to go for bad before that one because it's American. Loaded with a 7. Let's take them out. And you also have 2 more down here. So what you didn't see or hear was a 20-minute lecture that I gave my son's friend of how you can take this handle out. Actually not true, but so we got this guy out. That's what we did. We had to squeeze this. Let's go back to work. Pull this ball socket out of this little channel right there. You see? Now we pull this. This moved out like this, and let's hope it's not as hard and stubborn as the one on the passenger side, which it probably will be. Ooh, not bad. Now that we have the door panel off, it is plastic welded. Don't believe me? Look. You have to replace the whole door panel to fix this handle. Look. Nice, right? Look, you see it? It's the handle. How do you get that out without replacing the door handle? Look, it's attached right here. Plastic weld. Plastic weld. Thank you, Chevy. And now that you know how to take the door panel off, and now that you see that this thing is... I don't even know why they have a part number on here. Look, let's see. I'm gonna see what this what this looks like. Oh, that's funny. Funny. So, thank you, Chevy. Thank you, the Americans, for great designing. So, I'm gonna say like it. I certainly don't like it. Share it. Go right ahead. But subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.